And I'm Saul Sainz. Rising COVID cases, increasing hospitalizations, and longer COVID testing lines. While all this sounds familiar, El Paso County Judge Ricardo Samaniego believes conditions will not improve anytime soon and that the health and government officials are bracing for another spike. Although lessons were learned from other spikes, Samaniego tells me this one will not come without challenges.
Their expectation is that there's going to be a huge spike, going into right before, between the 20th and at the end of the month and into February.
Judge Samaniego says the spike is inevitable. The reasons are the Omicron variant, many people not wearing masks, holiday gatherings, and a return to the classrooms. Add to that, staffing issues. We're seeing it everywhere, including at city test sites where wait times can vary from 3 to 5 hours.
The reason we're not as efficient in testing is not because of the kids, but because of the of not having personnel. A lot of them have COVID. A lot of them don't want to come in and work in those environments. Or if we had a spike, it's not going to be about space anymore. It's going to be about personnel being able to fulfill the jobs.
Hospitalization rates are also climbing. Samaniego says we're not at a critical point yet.
We've gotten close to being in a critical situation. We're already working with Chief Rodriguez and Chief D'Agostino and Dr. Carranza to begin to ask for personnel from, like we did last time, where they came from all over the country.
That's when El Paso made national headlines with sometimes as many as 2,800 cases confirmed daily. As many as 1,800 traveling nurses arrived to help. He says that may not happen this time around because the same nurses who came to the borderland then may not want to return. Samaniego says the only way positivity rates will go down is if more people vaccinate. Even then, COVID-19 is teaching us a very important lesson about vaccines.
That we're not immune from the virus. It's a protection to keep you out of the hospital more than anything. If you look at the main objective of the vaccine, that it's less severe, keeps you out of the hospital. But you can still pass it to somebody who's not vaccinated, and there you go. That we start this situation that we were headed last time.
Now, the one topic the county judge feels uncomfortable talking about are the number of deaths. Although the county is better prepared with more modules for victims who died from the virus, just having to talk about the topic should make people aware that we are not over COVID-19.